Here I want to talk about the Linux package manager apt. Apt stands for the Advanced Packaging Tool, and that is actually a front end for the DPKG Debian packaging tool. I think one of the main differences between apt and DPKG is that apt handles a lot of the dependencies that the lower level DPKG does not. There's three main programs to apt. Apt itself, Apt-Get, and Apt-Cache. In this video I'm just going to talk about the Apt-Get, and this tool is used to maintain and upgrade all your Linux packages. So I'm going to start off. I'm logged into an Ubuntu system, and in order to use the apt tools, you're going to have sudo privileges. The user I'm logged into right now does. So what you want to do when you want to do an upgrade, the first thing is do an apt-get update. And what this does is it for all the packages you have installed on your machine, it goes out and downloads a list of all the latest versions of available packages. So this is going to basically just update your local list. So I'm going to do sudo apt-get update. Okay, so it's going out and hitting these URLs and getting the list of the latest packages. Okay, so then once it downloads the list, I'm going to do an apt-get upgrade, and then this will go through and compare against the list I just downloaded, compare that against the packages I have installed, compare their versions, and it'll flag any packages that are available to upgrade them and allow me to do the upgrade. So to do that, I'm going to do sudo apt-get upgrade. Okay, so as you can see, there's in the first list, the following packages were automatically installed and are no longer required. There's a way to get rid of those. I'll show you that in a little bit. Well, it tells you use apt-get auto remove. The following packages will be upgraded. You can see there's about, I don't know, a dozen or so. After this operation, 365 kilobytes of additional space will be used. Do you want to continue? So do yes. So it's going to go and download the those latest packages and then install them onto my system. And it's going to take just a few minutes. This Ubuntu system is a little bit slow, so okay, so all those packages have been downloaded and installed. The next command is going to be a dist upgrade. And generally you'll use this to upgrade to a newer kernel version if there's one available. Okay, so it looks like there is not. Okay, then the final command is the auto remove. Sudo apt-get, and this is going to check for any packages that are no longer required by any active packages. And usually this is going to be old versions of kernel packages, like in this case. So it's going to remove the 3.13.0-67 kernel. So just hit yes to do that. Okay, and there you have it. So this is just some basic commands to upgrade your packages using the command line. There's some graphical front ends. I don't generally use those. It's pretty easy to run these on the command line. And if you're kind of new to Linux and you're just getting started with the command line, the apt-get commands are pretty simple. You kind of do the same thing every time, so it's kind of a good way just to get your feet wet. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video.